Welcome to our channel. In this comprehensive video, we'll provide you with a step-by-step guide to creating an effective bedtime routine for babies. Why bedtime routines are important. A regular bedtime ritual reinforces a baby's natural circadian rhythms, helping them distinguish between day and night. This is particularly helpful during sleep training or sleep regression periods. Bedtime routines offer several benefits. The benefits of a consistent bedtime routine helps your baby fall asleep. A predictable bedtime pattern signals to your baby that it's time to wind down, making it easier for them to fall asleep. Helps your baby stay asleep. Sleep regressions are normal during the first year, and a bedtime routine offers comfort during these phases, aiding your baby in getting through them. It's in learning. Quality sleep is crucial for a baby's development as it helps consolidate the lessons learned during the day. Promotes parent-child bonding. Bedtime routines are an excellent opportunity to bond with your baby, making evenings more relaxing for both of you. A step-by-step guide to an effective bedtime routine. Soothing bath. Begin with a warm, soothing bath. Warm water has sleep-inducing properties. Be cautious not to bathe newborns and babies every night, as it can dry out their sensitive skin. Feeding and cuddles. Offer a nightcap with cuddles to fill your baby's tummy before bedtime. If your baby has teeth, brush them after the feed. Reading books. Sit in a quiet, calm space and read a favorite book in a soothing voice. Gentle infant massage. Research suggests that a pre-sleep massage can help babies produce more melatonin, aiding sleep. Lullabies. Sing a soft lullaby to set the stage for sleep. White noise. Many infants find white noise soothing, mimicking the noises they heard in the uterus. Parting words. Before leaving the room, say comforting words like "good night," "I love you" with a gentle stroke on the cheek and a kiss on the head. Tips for establishing a baby bedtime routine. Time it right. Understand your baby's sleep patterns and start the routine about 30 to 45 minutes before their natural bedtime. Same sleep environment. Put your baby to sleep in the same crib regularly to ensure sound sleep and reduce the risk of SIDS. Create the right atmosphere. Dim the lights, turn off electronic devices, and set a relaxing tone in the room. Mastering the drowsy baby drop-off. Put your baby down while drowsy but awake, helping them learn to fall asleep independently. Adjust as necessary. As your baby grows, modify the routine to suit their changing needs. Keep it consistent. Consistency is key for a soothing bedtime routine. It provides comfort and encourages peaceful sleep. Conclusion: bedtime routines play a vital role in a baby's sleep schedule. While there is no one-size-fits-all routine, following a structured pattern can make bedtime a more relaxing experience for both parents and babies. Creating a personalized routine and sticking to it can help your little one sleep soundly and peacefully for years to come. Before we go, we have an incredible resource to make your baby's sleep even more comfortable. Check out Baby Sleep Miracle, a fantastic guide for ensuring your baby gets the best sleep. Download this book now, link in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. See you in the next video.